Hello and welcome to this introductory video of Satisfactory. Right now we are in early access, just about a month away from the official 1.0 release. This is going to be a beginner tutorial. Even though it's early access, this beginner tutorial should help you understand the game a little bit better and prepare you for 1.0 and beyond. While there will be some changes in 1.0, this will be a good overview for you to get started. When you click on New Game, it's going to give you these 4 options of different biomes that you can start in. The grass fields is ideal for first-time players, also known as pioneers in this game. There are some a little bit more difficult ones like the Rocky Desert, the Northern Forest, and the Dune Desert, but we're going to start here since it is the first playthrough and we're just teaching you how to play the game. I also recommend that you go through this intro. Do not skip the intro. It's going to give you some basics on how to start your game, setting up what's called your hub, which is your main base. That's going to be a super important part of learning some of the basic features of the game. You'll watch a brief introductory video, then you'll enter a sequence called Planetfall, landing you onto the planet. It'll drop you into a randomly selected area of your selected biome, at which point you'll exit the pod, and then you will be into that biome ready to start the game. Continue to complete your tutorial by using the left-hand side where it will give you instructions and hints on what to do next, as well as information at the bottom as the AI robot continues to talk to you. Our first steps are going to be dismantling this drop pod and setting up a hub for ourselves. We'll quickly walk through that here. Make sure you are following your tutorial in order to do all of these steps. So what we're going to do is find some of that raw iron. And if you are anywhere near this pillar that's kind of got some gas clouds, first of all, stay away from those gas clouds. But this is generally speaking where we're going to put our hub. If you're following along with me, then look for this little gas pillar. We're going to put our hub in this area. If not, no big deal. Just find that iron node. The reason I'm going to put the hub in this area is because it's really a good central location for beginning players. Continue to use the iron ore scanner and look for these different iron nodes. The iron node that I'm looking for is this one right here where there are 3 iron nodes back to back. You may also encounter some hostility, including this hog. It will charge you and it will knock you back and it will do 1 bar of damage each time. The best way to kill it is just to sidestep it. Wait for it to charge, sidestep it, and then zap it. You can also jump over it. Once you've killed it, pick up the hog remains and continue on with finding this iron. Chip away at the iron by pressing E.
Build the hub.
And then next we are being told to build the hub, which is what we will do. So we found these iron nodes. We're going to spread out just a little bit past these rocks, and we're going to go build the hub, which is going to be the start of our game. After we build the hub, we have a couple of important things to do. The first thing is check out the crafting bench. And the second is to check out the hub terminal. The hub terminal is where you're going to have upgrades. Each time we will select a new milestone, and this is how we're going to, in effect, level up and continue to progress as we're learning new technology. Once you click Select Milestone, it will show up in the right-hand corner, and it will tell you exactly what you need to do in order to make your first upgrade. A couple of other important shortcuts that are helpful here for new players. First and foremost, look in the bottom right-hand corner. You'll notice there that it says tab will open up your inventory. You'll notice the letter N is a search box. So if we were looking for something like iron ingot, iron plate, etc. You'll notice O. Those are the tutorials and recipes and other things. So if you ever wanted to go back through the tutorials or information that it said, you can go back through by pressing O. B is your flashlight in the event that it's dark, like it is now in my game. H holsters your weapon or brings it back out. V, as we saw earlier, will scan for a particular resource. Right now, all we can see is iron, but we'll learn more resources later. M will be your map key, but the map key currently isn't unlocked. We have not yet unlocked the map. F, with that little bulldozer, is how we deconstruct things, also known as dismantling. And then last but not least, Q is our build menu where we can build different items. Those shortcuts in the bottom will help you remember what you can do in this game with the most frequently used commands. Left shift will be a toggle for running and walking in this game. If you want to crouch, it's control. And you can find others and then key bindings. I will say there's a lot of key bindings here. Don't stress too much about these right now, but these key bindings can help you in the event that you get stuck or you're looking for something specific. That's it for this basic tutorial. In the next video, we are going to expand the hub and get started with some exploration. We're going to get some materials and some resources, and we're going to begin building our base. We will continue our quest towards building factories and automating things, which is the basic premise of the game. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.